Garage door lubrication is crucial for ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of your garage door. Here are the key importance of garage door lubrication. Reduces friction, extends lifespan, quieter operation, improves efficiency, prevents rust and corrosion. The lubrication is recommended once a year and can be easily done in few simple steps. First, disconnect the carriage. Use a professional grade made for garage doors lubricant and an old or new towel. Start spraying all the garage door hinges or rollers and wipe down so it won't drip on the ground. Apply lubricant on all the hinges and the top brackets. By using a ladder or something to stand on safely, you may spray the spring generously and wipe down as well to prevent the lubricant dripping. You may do another coat on top of the springs and lift the door up and down manually so the lubricant can go through the coils of the springs. Do not spray the garage door drums or lift cables. Thank you for watching. If you need lube or any other garage door parts, please follow the next easy steps.